So, my cable management is pretty shit right now, and I came up with an idea to fix that. Let me show you what I thought. So, what I thought is, this is like an easy version just of my table here, and the front part is, the front plank here is missing, but what I thought is I'll make like a second plank from the downside of it that will keep all the cables and the power outlet brick that I use together, and that is like behind the second part that is in front of it. So you won't see it unless you need it, and I can show you it in a real version at my table right now because it is pretty cool, I think. Also, this is how the plank is going to look like afterwards. This is from the upside, and I will probably remove some things of the table right here on each of these three sides, so I can get all the cables that I need to the left side out of here, to the back side like my speakers or when I'll connect some display ports or something, and to the right side when I want to like sit in the bed and watch some shows or something, that I can charge my phone through this little window. So this is the downside of my table, and the real great thing about this is that I can put this piece backwards. That's the thing that we didn't get to see on the paper because it would just stop the view. But this is the back part, and I will have the windows, one in here to my speakers down there and for some display ports or something, one here for the lamp up on my table, and one there which is going to be like, as I said, for when I'll charge my phone in the bed or something. And this is where the plate is going to be, and this power brick here, which is really messy right now, will stand on this brick, and you won't see it. If you don't want to see it, you'll just put it up like this and it's gone. So I got my paper, so let's keep going. What's good is that my mom is teaching this in school, so I have all the equipment that I need right here. I got some saws and different stuff, and got like all the hammers and really everything, all the drills and other shit that I need. So let's start. Thing that I'm gonna do is that I have to find some materials that I can use, and like I wrote on my paper, should be about 70 centimeters long and 12 centimeters in depth. Alternatives here. Either I use this one, and I already think I am using this because I have to stick together these two, and yeah, they are not already, you see I can separate them, and yeah, I mean I could use them, but I also think that this one looks a bit better. Not that you see them really much afterwards, but it's a bit easier, and yeah, I think I'm gonna use that one. So I'm gonna mark the section that I need. That'll be 70 by 12. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Marked the section here now, but can't really see it, but it's 70 by 12. Now I just have to figure out which saw I'm gonna use. Probably that one. Or that one? We'll see. So apparently the blade of that one isn't fixed yet, so I'll have to do it by hand. Yep, I know. got this part, the 70 to 12 centimeters, but now we need the small part here that will keep the power block from falling down. Okay, I found one. This one, and I'll have to screw it with some screws into that. Like I said, the power brick in this can fall down on the other side. Here is the table front, or the table backside if you want to. And then I'll put all the powers, the cable stuff in this upon this brick. Down here to get the screws in. Yeah, so first let's drill it. Like that. Now I just have to make the holes a little bit bigger so the screw heads will fit inside properly. Yep, I know. That actually took way too long to do it, but here you have the result. And now I can go up and see, and go to my room and see if it will fit. And I really hope it does, because otherwise I spent like 2 hours or something with doing this, and it would have been gone all the time. Yeah, but if it won't fit, we'll just have to fix it. But if that would be the case, then I would do that tomorrow. Now let's just hope it fits. Let's just hope it works now. Maybe I can position the camera like... Just a second. Ah, Alright, I may have messed up. So... yeah, we might need to screw it in there and then make some blocks to it, because it's a little bit too short, but otherwise it actually fits. And no, man, I destroyed this. Oh, shit. Alright. Okay, I broke this piece here, where this should be like this to keep this from falling down. But yeah, and this one is actually quite a little bit too small, like 2.5 centimeters or something. But I guess that we can fix that. Good. Now we can just try if I can get the power block up there. Yep, like this. That actually works.